We are from BHL Bhopal. My name is Amar Pratap Singh, and he is Mr. Abhishek Kumar Sharma, and on my right is Mr. Satyam Kushwaha.
Mr. Singh, before you proceed, let me tell you, you have just 15 minutes for your briefing, so kindly
Yes,
adhere
sir.
the
Yes,
time.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. We'll move ahead. Okay, so our the project of ours is an integrated system for transformer manufacturing, inspection, review, and document preservation. It is from BHL Bhopal. Our category, the project sector is business continuity during COVID-19 pandemic. So a brief introduction of our of BHEL. BHEL is the largest engineering and manufacturing enterprise in India in the energy and infrastructure sector with capability to manufacture the entire range of power plant equipment. We make products for power, for renewable energy, for water, for industry, for oil and gas, for defense and aerospace, and for transportation and transmission. This particular project is related to the transmission sector, in which particularly the transformers and reactors are manufactured. So we have 40 plus years of EPC experience in power transmission, and we have supplied almost 5 lakhs plus MVA of transformers and reactors, and commissioned almost 200 plus electrical substations with 5 major HVDC projects. The team for the project was from quality side. I, Amar Pratap Singh, was there, and along with me, our senior Sri Abhishek Kumar Sharma, he was there. And from the technical support from the IT wing, we had Mr. Satyam Kushwaha. And the expert guidance was provided by our HOD, Mr. Santosh Kumar Meena. We have registered this project in our Impress ID also. There is a basically our internal system for suggestions and improvement projects. So this project was registered in our Impress ID also. So first of all, I would like to say, give a brief view about what is the process flow of transformer inspections which we have in BHL Bhopal. So right from the order which is awarded to us, we have in the order we have the contract, and the contract consists of the technical specifications based on which our QAP, we call it the quality approval plan, is finalized between client and BHEL. And based on that only we have the inspection and review by the client during various manufacturing stages of the transformer. So here we have the basically process flow of the transformer manufacturing which we have. First is the various auxiliaries from which the assembly part of the transformer is made. We have the winding, core, and insulation which comes to assembly, and then the core coil assembly is done along with the tank accessories and insulating oil. After that, we have the various stages of processing and in-process checks of the transformer, right, starting from process to servicing to process 2 to case fitting to PAT to PDI to dispatch. And in between these stages only, our client does inspections. It may be a witness or review of various stages. So this is a general outlook on the points which are marked for the inspection and review stages of the client. QAP sample page I will be showing you in the next slide through the system. So since it is for the business continuity, our project, we can start from what the COVID situation has demanded from us since it has started. It demands for the crowding of workstation should not be there. There should be social distancing at the workstation. Then we have the physical meetings which have been stopped, and we have to do the online meetings in today's scenario. Social distancing between two people should be 6 feet. And then we should not assemble for discussion anywhere. We should have social distancing in between us. And after that, we have the minimum handling of the hard copy file, basically. So soft copy is promoted via online. So what effect has COVID had on our transformer business of BHL Bhopal? So this is the main starting point. So what happened during Corona was the factories got closed. BHL also was closed, along with the vendor factories and the client offices. There was a restricted access to the manpower which was there. Some were quarantined, some the area was quarantined, some people got affected, and many of our critical transformers testing was held up, which were about to go to strategic locations for supply of for transmission of electricity. Then we had the no contact procedures, which in which two persons could not have a contact with each other. Physical hand touching could not be done. The files could not be communicated. And the next one was the hard copy use was minimum, had to be minimum. And then the most important thing, our client was unavailable due to the lockdown period. So this took a severe blow to our cash realization, and the cash realization was held up in BHEL. So this was a serious issue during for our business continuity to move on. So we started with what were the requirements which were to be met to sustain our business. We needed a single platform for multiple agencies to have an access to it. Then we needed to have non-contact stage clearances by BHEL and by our clients also. Online entry and update of data was required, and real-time progress was to be monitored online. If any issue was generated at any stage, it had to be resolved online, and we had to do the management review of the whole complete progress of the transformer. So, what was the criticality in this? The first and the major criticality was, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, very much clear. Sound.
Okay, sir. Okay. So the main criticality which we had is we had some strategic transformers which were ready for testing, like the NTPC Vindhyachal GT and the BIF PCL MATRI. I would like to lay emphasis on the MATRI project. It is the Bangladesh-India friendship project, which needs to be charged on priority basis, and the transformers were lying down here during test at the test bed, since the client was not available and the clearances were not obtained due to the COVID lockdown. So these transformers were very well urgently required for transmission of electricity at their various stages, various regions. And due to COVID protocols, the testing clearance had to be taken on virtual mode, because physically no one could come to the factory, and they had their own protocols in their organization, so they were not able to come. So this required availability of all necessary documents without physically handling of these documents. So we came up with the solution. So we developed an online system through in-house. It was developed, designed in BHEL through our IT wing. Inputs were given by us, and the data which was fed into the system, it had a disaster recovery site provision. The data which is in the system is safe and it is secure. And then we have the encrypted authorization for accessing the system. So by this we took the digital inclusion prospect into our project. So what the system is having and what are its provisions? So the system covers all the inspection stages, manufacturing cycles of the transformer manufacturing, and upload of all relevant records which are required by client, like CHPs, checklists, test reports, customer sheets, etc., are uploaded onto the system. Traceability of all major raw material and components, it is available online. One can feed it. Online entry is done. There is a provision for current status of the job. So the status, current running status of the components of the transformer is seen on the PC of each and every person who is linked to the manufacturing. Any non-conformities or deviations are indicated stage-wise, and the client records and internal records are segregated, because the client records can be 100, our internal records are of 1,000 units. So both are segregated. There are provisions for entering both the records. So one can easily know the job progress, because if one component is completed, an email trigger is generated to the subsequent stage, so that the subsequent stage can get ready with the components. So we had to require the resources to augment the system. So we took an access to the VPN system for remote operation during lockdown, so that we could work from home. Each section was given two access to the two logins to the VPN system, so that work from home initiatives could be started. Then we had a grant of digital signatures, so that online signatures of the documents could be done, and the printout and manual handling and physical handling was minimized. Scanners were issued to all the sections, so that all the documents could go online and we could save it on the system. Dedicated office PCs were given against these scanners also, and we had the provision of shared folders, so that when the document is scanned and uploaded to one system, it is accessible to other systems also through a shared folder. So now we come to the system, what the online system is. So if we can relate to this, what we do is we have chalked out all the stages of the transformer manufacturing cycle. It is called the master sheet. And then the master sheet is then linked to a QAP. The QAP is then QAP belongs to a particular work order. It is linked to it. The documents are uploaded onto it, onto the system. All the raw materials and items are traced stage wise to this online system only. Any non-conformities which are there, stage wise they are recorded on this system, and the progress of the job component wise, stage wise, item wise is indicated through this system. And when one component of the transformer is completed, an auto trigger mail generates to the subsequent stage so that they can be ready about this coming components which are to be assembled in the next stage. And intimation of job dispatch is also generated, so the job can be dispatched with all the necessary formalities. So we can do a live demonstration of the system. So we'll just start with the demonstration. So the screen is visible, no sir?
No, it's no, it's not
Hello?
visible. No, it's not
It's
visible.
visible, sir?
Only the first screen which is got stuck there only. It's not moving anywhere.
The first screen.
The first one, the one which you presented, that's the only
Acha,
thing. Nothing is there else.
Acha, okay, so you are in you are seeing the PPT right now.
No, the first, that one, the first introductory, page. That's only available. Nothing else added to that subsequent to it.
Okay, so the introductory page of the PPT is only available. Is it, sir?
That's all. That's all. That's what it says with your helmet, BHL, and all that. That's all. The name of the project.
Name of the project. Only that is there. Just a second, sir. So the screen has changed now.
No, not as yet. At least from my side.
Just a second. Sir, any of the members can see the screen changing now? Hello?
I think it will. It will changes. It changes for all at one stroke, isn't it?
Just a second. Just a second. पहले की पीपीटी नहीं देखता है ना पूरी पीपीटी नहीं देखता एक सेकंड sir now the ppt is visible
No.
We
Okay,
can see the
okay, now.
PPT. We can see the PPT, but live demonstration of the system we are not able to see.
okay so I will switch on to the live demonstration of the system right now.
Please
Is
do.
there a video you want to show us?
We'll go online, we'll see the system online. Just a second.
Okay. But do you have time?
Yes ma'am, just now you can see the system ma'am.
Yeah.
The quality plan execution system is visible, no? Okay, so this is our system ma'am. What we have is, first we view the master plan. These are all the components and the stages of the manufacturing of the transformer. Then what we have?
Actually the lines are too small. Like they are to be seen by a person who is using it. Making a presentation out of it actually will not benefit us because we can't read.
No.
So it will be better if you can tell us what are your key points.
Okay ma'am, okay ma'am.
Difficult for us to read them.
Yeah,
They're too
just to
small.
highlight those points because we can't read this very small,
Right.
not legible.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Okay, just a second. All these slides were visible before, no ma'am?
Slides
Only
are
one
fine,
slide
but
was
when you are
one.
talking about a system, online system, which is
Yes, ma'am.
supposed to be operated by a person in front of a desktop or a laptop,
Mhm.
that's for the full screen of that system. But we are seeing only half of it, or one-fourth of it. So it's very
Okay.
difficult for us to read what is written there.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
So, like the other slides you have made, just give us some key features which you want to bring out during a demonstration. We don't want to see the demonstration because we can't really read them.
Okay. Okay. I'll just share the snapshot then. We'll go quickly about on it. Just a second. So this is the screen, and these in this page in our system we have the traceability view. Means all the items which are used in the site on the transformer are traceable. Entries are done. Like in this one, we had done the tank entry of the tank part, and the
Mhm.
PO, SRB, and all the codes were entered into it. So this got freezed. Then this is our output page, ma'am. Like this one.
Yeah, frankly speaking, it is not going to give us much insight.
Okay, okay,
Uh,
ma'am. Okay,
you can
It's better that
elaborate
you
on your
tell
own.
us. You tell us what you want to tell instead of
okay, ma'am. Okay.
going,
Uh,
because we all know there
Yes,
must
ma'am.
be all the rows and columns which are coming. Somebody must be entering something. Somebody else is integrating
Yes,
automated
yes,
and all
ma'am.
that. That we
so
Yes, ma'am.
understand. We understand the system. But tell us what is the outcome.
Okay, ma'am. The benefits I will share. What was the outcome of this? Just a second.
you can
So,
tell us,
what were the
point by point, need not go to the screen. So,
okay? So now we'll start from the benefits of this system, what we got.
mhm.
So these are the benefits, jury members. First was there was a user-friendly review and approval by client based on the documents reviewed by the client and the inspections done. All the issues which were generated during the manufacturing of the transformer, since the system was online and accessible to all concerned agencies, so the resolution was faster, and all the transformers which got tested by the outputs of the system by giving the when the client gave the clearance and the testing got started, so when the transformer dispatched, the transformers which went to the site, it led to the charging of the site. The sites got charged and the electricity supply was started in those regions. And then we had the document preservation was online, so all the data was safe and easily accessible. And the system provides a provision for analysis also, like if something happens to the transformer and we need to check the records, so it is readily available to all the PCs whenever we log in, and all the records are readily available, which gives us the ease of analysis. So biggest benefit was we got a cash realization of 40 crores during this peak lockdown period, since the transformers were dispatched and we got the amount from the customer, and this led to the financial inclusion of this organization also in this organization. So we are able to have a real-time status review of the manufacturing progress of the transformers. There is savings in time. Usually, before we used to manually handle the documents, so it took time for clearances. So now, since everything is online, so there is a savings of time in it, and the same system is accessible to all related agencies. So everybody can coordinate and take out the information required by that person through the system. And based on this, since it is a very organized system, and each topic is mentioned stage wise and clause wise as per contract, so there is an increased customer confidence also on the product and on the working of the company also. So we'll have a comparison on what we had before and what we have now. So at that point of time, we used to have conference meetings where a lot amount of people used to come together and we used to have discussions, and then solution would come out. Lot manpower was involved for handling the files and handling the resources. Hard copy dockets used to exist because everything was done on paper. A lot of space was required for the storage of files also. A whole godown was there. And to seek one information, people used to go to one source, and to seek another information, people used to go to another source. So n number of information required n number of sources. Now what we have, now we have an integrated system for transformer manufacturing and document preservation. So that makes our life easy. Since we are discussing about business continuity, I would like to relate our the project with the business plan also. First is the impact analysis. So what impact was, there was COVID, that impact us, we had to analyze on it, which is shown on earlier slides, what kind of effect it had on our business. So next was the recovery strategies which we took. We formulated an integrated system, online system for it. So plan development was the system development took in-house along with inputs from all the related stakeholders. And the testing and maintenance, it involved the system deployment and validation, and the output of system was shown to client, in which he appreciated the efforts taken by BHL to get the clearances done in an organized manner. So looking into the replicability aspect, now this system which was started in Transformer Group, actually BHL Bhopal has 6 major products which are manufactured in Bhopal. So this project was started in Transformer Group. It has been extended now to switchgear division, to our thermal division, to fabrication division, and to the tool and gauge division also. And then now we are moving ahead with replicability to other units of BHL. Recently, it has been copied to the corporate system of BHL, in which the export job inspections are done by corporate people. They are sharing the same system for their normal routine inspections. So this, you can have a view of what was the situation before. All the files, these are 10 years old files which had to be extracted when any issue got there in the transformer. So taking out the file from this whole thing was very tedious. And now we have this online system with us, in which everything is visible and everything is organized. One can easily fetch any information from the system. So this was the launch which was done on the system in front of this meeting was chaired by our GM quality, and all the quality and the IT wing experts were here during the launch of the system. This is it. We would like to end the meeting and the presentation. Thank you, jury members. If we are welcome to any question from the jury members.
Yeah, very briefly, my question is that, you see, now given the pandemic, scenario, most of
Yes,
the
sir.
production industries are doing the same thing that you are doing by and large. Right? They are dependent upon digital mode of thing. Now, since your transformation production involves quite a bit of physical work, notwithstanding that you feed on and off the progress made digitally, how do you manage the physical observation of the transformation production in various stages? I'm not talking about how you feed in the technology, but how do you observe them physically? At that point of time, do you maintain social distance and other norms which are required at the time of COVID?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, we have restricted the inspection stages to the quality person only. Initially, only there were a handful of people who used to do the inspections. Now it is restricted to experts of that field who will do the inspection, and that is also done one by one. And whatever the document is,
Yeah,
yes, and
please carry on.
whatever the document is, observations are there. That is fed onto the online system only, so that it is accessible to all. And one does not have to take the paper of the observation sheet, and it has to rotate to all the people physically. So that is done online right now. Yes.
And
And the remote inspections have started. We have done remote inspections for clients and for our vendors also, through Zoom and through WhatsApp and through dedicated webcams. We have started those also.
No,
Can you just
you see,
quantify the
have a
savings?
you have different components like body structure, oil, and many things you have to put on stage wise, and that
Yes.
also involves physical input by workers. And number two, that you see, since this mode of your accounting and production control is there, do you find any improvement in quantum production of transformers and supply of the same as per the demand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have seen a quantum jump in the productivity with the system. Because initially what we used to have is we used to take 2 days for clearance with clients with a dedicated file. We used to go to office often from our office we used to go to the client office, and from the client office we used to come back for many documents. So this thing used to take 2 days, minimum 2 days for clearance. So now what is there? We have an online system in which all the parameters are set and all the documents required by the client is provided. He accesses it through ebook system. The output of the system comes as an ebook. So he accesses it. There is the redundancy of documents is not there. So it goes in one shot only. And recently we have got the clearance of these transformers in mostly 1 to 2 hours only.
Okay, okay, okay.
And
Uh,
as I
Can you
mentioned, we
just
have got
quantify? See, can you
yes,
just quantify, like previously for making a transformer right from planning to delivery, it
yes,
used
ma'am.
to say take X number of days or whatever. So
Yes, ma'am.
after doing this, how much it has reduced, number one. Then you said there have been savings in money, time, manpower, and other resources. So can you just quantify what are the reduction percentage in all
Yes, ma'am.
these?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we have a complete transformer manufacturing cycle of 90 days, right from scratch to completion. And parallelly, we have the document clearances and the customer clearances and the inspections and all. That takes, if we calculate for one transformer, it takes parallelly 90 days only. Like there are villages
So total time is 90 days or 90 plus 90, 180 days?
parallelly. If we have to take it parallelly, like the
90,
manufacturing cycle goes
90 days, 90 days. So
yes.
now after the system, how long it takes?
Ma'am, the 90 days of coordination and customer inspections that has reduced to 30 days, ma'am.
20, 30 days.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
third. One
Yes,
third. Okay.
yes.
And what about the other, the manufacturing that remains same?
Manufacturing, ma'am, we cannot control the manufacturing cycle because if something has to take 10 days to manufacture, it will take 10 days
So
only.
that remains same. That remains
Yes,
same.
yes,
That
ma'am.
remains
That
same.
remains.
So time-wise, you are actually not saving much because the total number of 90 days still remains, but your workload has reduced.
Workload has reduced, and the delays which we used to have due to clearances that used to add upon above the 90 days period. Because if a transformer is complete and we are taking 2 days to get the clearances, so that used to add over and above the 90 days. So now it is done in 1 hour only. So it is only the manufacturing cycle time which takes right now, and the rest coordination time has decreased
Within
considerably.
that. Okay.
And
So
if we
basically
compare
you
to
have
the
reduced, so basically you have reduced the workload as well as the time load.
yes, ma'am, yes. And if we connect it to the lockdown period in which we had 1 month of no cash realization, so in the when the system which got started, we got the cash realization of 40 crores. So that was an added advantage due to the system because everything was done online.
I think that's
Actually,
fine. That's
customers were
fine.
little bit.
That's fine. I believe that's fine. And customer satisfaction you cannot really quantify
No, yes, that
unless
cannot be quantified. That
There
is a
no,
qualitative
no.
term. Yes, ma'am.
Customer has also got, ma'am. I want to just add that in COVID situation, customers were really apprehensive in handling physically the papers and documents while documentation, record review. Even they were apprehensive if we used to go to them and meet in person. They used to talk on phone and they used to demand documents
so
through
now they're
online mode
happy.
or through.
Now they're happy they don't have to see you.
Yes.
And ma'am, the
Now they are
space
delighted. Yes,
and
ma'am.
now they are delighted because it is online server based system, and now they can easily check into our system and review the documents, and
No COVID
this
virus.
document also remain
No
preserved for them.
COVID virus. No COVID virus. No computer virus may
No,
come.
no COVID virus. Computer
Computer
virus can
virus,
come if the
it is
antivirus is
all
not there.
pervasive.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Mr. Singh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Just
Singh.
ma'am.
one last query. See, I mean, you have done a remarkable job so far as BHL and your production of transformer. There are n number of private players in sense they are producing, transformers. So, are you sharing this kind of, your own devices or the own methods with others? Are you taking them on board as well? Because that is calls for, serious implementation across India.
Yes, sir. We are giving restricted access to this system for our stakeholders, sir. Like our customers are having restricted access to it, and our vendors are having restricted access to it. Most of the time, we are sharing the output of the system. Like
Why don't you
it's,
why don't you take a policy decision in the interest of the people and the protection from the COVID to share it with all? with all those who involved in the COVID, the transformer production.
Sir, it is a very good suggestion. We will share it with our stakeholders so that they can also come to this platform and maximum COVID precautions can be taken by all of us. Yes, sir.
That will be an added help across the country. You can do that. Okay. Thank you. This was good.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.